Hello, my name is Hilmi Naufal Humam. I was born in Jember. I am 25 years old. My background of the study is chemical analysis education. In my opinion, family is everything, and I have desire to be someone who can be proud by my family. Now, I study in Yogyakarta LPP Polytechnic. I received an industrial scholarship for a chemical engineering study program. Besides studying, I work at PT Industri Gula Glenmore, Banyuwangi. My work as a quality control laboratory department. I am working at PT Industri Gula Glenmore since 2016. I got information job vacancies on social media which required chemical analysis education. After passing for this test, I was declared that I accepted to carry out military training and education. PT Industri Gula Glenmore is an integrated sugar factory, a subsidiary of PTPN 12. At PT Industri Gula Glenmore, the quality control department has 48 employees and 2 laboratories. The laboratory is Nears Core Sampler and Sugar Laboratory. Where I work, the Nears Core Sampler laboratory is a place for analyzing the quality of sugarcane raw material, so that the sugarcane be entered the factory actually meets the standard. The sugarcane analysis is percent bricks, percent fall, and rendement. The sugar laboratory is responsible for monitoring the quality of material from the mill station to the sugarcane production process until sugar product. The role of the quality control section is very important. Therefore, the supervision of the factory must not be overlooked at all, because PT Industri Gula Glenmore is a large company with capacity of 6,000 ton can per day and will be developed in a capacity of 8,000 ton can per day, so that it requires quality navigation to have product good quality product in accordance with applicable standard national Indonesia. My position is Assistant Responsibility Center in Quality Control Section as which is responsible for assigning duties and technical assistant to supervisor, operator, and quality control helper to comply with standard operating procedure. Besides that, I have to be responsible for the implementation and report on the result of my assignment to the responsibility center, so that is run in accordance with the applicable organization structure. My hope in the future is for PT Industri Gula Glenmore and the quality control teamwork should be continued. Hosni is still in hand. In the future, PT Industri Gula Glenmore will grow and develop in accordance with the motto of integrity, growth, green, so that in near future PT Industri Gula Glenmore become factory that can contribute the large national sugar production in Indonesia and even in the world. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shake. I study at LPP Polytechnic Yogyakarta through an industrial scholarship, and it is also to company demand as the legality of the position I am currently. The department that I took was also option from the company. It has link and match with the basic knowledge I had. In my opinion, LPP Polytechnic Yogyakarta is college that is very suitable for prospective students who want to be involved in the wood plantation and manufacturing, especially in palm oil factory and sugar factory. My hope is after graduating from LPP Polytechnic Yogyakarta, I can get a lot of new knowledge and experience that can be applied in my workplace so that it can help the other part of the company in the company development. A suggestion for students who are about to graduate to look for or who are still in college Stay enthusiastic in completing your study. You are the next generation of the nation. You don't have to work a company but open job field by studying. The mindset will be formed. Stop complaining about circumstances but build up our career. If you really want to get into the section of quality control, the key that must be held is honesty. Because with honesty you will take the company where you want to go. In this world, there is no shortage of smart people to run company, but in this world there is a lack of honest people to run a company.